What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota Camry remote key fob. This is going to be for the 2012 to 2017 Toyota Camry, and it's going to be for the Camrys that have a push-button start ignition. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and if we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, we can see there's this little notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. And if you notice, this key has a little bit of a lip on the end. So what I'm going to do is take my key and push it in that notch, make sure it's pushed in as far as you can. Then I'm just going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock. And as I do that, you can see it opens the case. Go ahead and pull the back cover off of the case, and we see our battery right here. And I'll just grab my key and again, use that lip on the end of it to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap the battery down into place. If your circuit board is moved around at all, make sure it's sitting down in that clear rubber piece like it needs to be. And then we can snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.